Okay, class, let us look at questionnaire method. In the previous lesson, we looked at observation method, advantages and disadvantages. Let us look at questionnaire method. And under this lesson, we want to know what a questionnaire is and look at circumstances under which a questionnaire can be used. A questionnaire is a set. It is a list of questions, a list of logical questions. It is written, prepared by the researcher and sent to the respondent. The respondent reads through and answers the questions and then sends it back to the researcher. Which means, what does it mean? It means when learners use questionnaire method, there is no need for the learners to travel to the area of study. They only post the questionnaire to the respondent in the field, and the respondent answers the questionnaire, sends it back to the researcher. Who is the respondent? This is a person who fills the questionnaire, who answers the questionnaire. When do we need to use questionnaires? I know most learners don't want this questionnaire method because they are interested in traveling. But when do we need to use this questionnaire? We need to use this questionnaire when the intended respondents are far. We may need information from John F. Kennedy Airport in USA. And this place might be very far for runners from Rwanda, so we send questionnaires. 2, when the respondent is too busy for a face-to-face interaction. Some respondents are very busy to the extent that they cannot get enough time to meet a group of students, to respond to them physically, or to interview them and they respond. So when the respondents are very busy, we may use questionnaires. When the information to be obtained from the high-profile respondents, the very important people, the very important persons or respondents who cannot face a group of people or the whole class for interviews. So, for example, if you want information from the manager of Kanombe Airport, or if you want information from a president, you don't say we shall meet you on Friday, you respond to us physically. Questionnaires are the best to use. When the researcher is dealing with a large population, when the researcher is dealing with a very big population, questionnaire method is the best because you distribute questions to different people, even in different groups. They fill questionnaires, you collect them. And we also use questionnaires when one of the parties involved in the study is not able to speak, but can be able to write and read. I think that is very clear. Thank you.